You want to know what's holding most people back from starting their own thing? Excuses. They think they need a ton of cash, fancy equipment, or some magic formula. Let me break it down for you. You don't need any of that, especially not in the beginning. I'm fired up today because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on how to bootstrap your side hustle for absolutely free. We're talking zero, zilch, nada. You ready to hustle? You ready to grind? Then buckle up, because we're about to dive in. First things first, you gotta invest in yourself. No, I don't mean dropping thousands on some fancy degree. I'm talking about free online courses. Coursera, edX, Khan Academy, these platforms are absolute gold mines. They've got courses on everything from coding and marketing to graphic design and photography. You name it, they got it. And the best part, they're taught by industry experts from top universities and companies. You're learning from the best of the best, all for free. No more excuses about not having the skills, all right? Get out there and learn. You know I live and breathe social media. It's the ultimate equalizer. You don't need a big budget to build a following and get your message out there. Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, these platforms are your new best friends. Create engaging content, connect with people in your niche, and watch your audience grow organically. Remember, consistency is key. Show up every day, provide value, and engage with your followers. Networking is huge too. Connect with people on LinkedIn, join relevant groups, and don't be afraid to reach out and build relationships. You never know where those connections might lead. Chapter 3. Ditch the expensive software. Listen, I get it. Fancy software can be tempting, but when you're just starting out, it's a money pit you don't need. Open source software is your secret weapon. There are incredible free tools out there for everything. Graphic design, Canva and GIMP have got you covered. Project management, hello, Trello and Asana. Website development, WordPress is your jam. These tools are just as powerful as their paid counterparts, and they won't cost you a dime. So ditch the expensive subscriptions and embrace the power of open source. Chapter 4. Tap into the power of community. Look, building a business can be lonely, but it doesn't have to be. There are incredible online communities filled with people who are on the same journey as you. Reddit, Quora, Facebook groups, these platforms are gold mines for advice, support, and networking. Join relevant communities, ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from others. You'll be amazed by the generosity and support you'll find. Remember, you're not alone in this. Tap into the power of community and watch your business thrive. Chapter 5. Unlock your local treasure chest. Don't sleep on your local library. I know, sounds old school. But trust me on this one. Public libraries are incredible resources for entrepreneurs. They've got books on every topic imaginable. Business, marketing, personal development, you name it. And it's not just books. Many libraries offer free access to online courses, databases, and other digital resources. They often host workshops, events, and networking opportunities too. Take advantage of these free resources and connect with like-minded individuals in your community. Your local library is a goldmine waiting to be explored. Outro, now go crush it. I'm dropping truth bombs here, folks. You don't need money to start your side hustle. You need hustle. You need that fire in your belly. Use these free resources, put in the work, and watch your dreams take flight. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect time. The time is now. Get out there, make it happen, and crush it. I believe in you. Now go make it happen.